Okay, now we're gonna enter Whalon Lake in Bolingbrook, Illinois. We're gonna ride around the lake, enjoy the scenery. It's a beautiful afternoon, around maybe 52 degrees right now. The sun is out and sunny, and as you know, it's already fall season, so let's enjoy it. Here we go. As you can see, riding against the sun, beautiful radiant. That's a beautiful outfit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we made around the lake. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's still breezy. Could have flown my drone, but I'm glad I didn't bring it because it's not a good idea at this point. But I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Beautiful scenery, isn't it? So next time I'll come back here. I'll bring my drone. I'll fly it. But for now, this is beautiful.